Hello, my name is Diana Marcela Liscano. I am 20 years old. I live municipal California, Santander. Studied engineers in energy. Currently, do those have job in companies. I have worked with an home market. The start at seeing two family. Eight my children each student is never counted with in contracts of company it how why with my family previously it took care of me nice and also my children offering in early in studying where what it's on with my children so a need at set to establish house where with wall war and spend tea with my children. Bye.